Assalamualaikum and greetings to the organizer, panel of juries and audience. We are researchers and innovators from University Pendidikan Sultan Idris. Introducing our innovation product, an authentic learning kit for special education primary school students with learning disabilities, Kit PAu MBK. This study was funded by Research Management and Innovation Center, University Pendidikan Sultan Idris under the Education Innovation Grant. The main objective of this innovation is to enable effective and enjoyable learning for students with special needs and learning problems. A needs analysis study involving mathematics teachers in special education found that there is a demand for the development of this kit. Students with special needs face problems in mastering the skill of rounding numbers. This PAu MBK kit is a continuation of the success of Lin's Cute Bug kit, which features the same authentic round-off numbers technique and is used by mainstream primary school students. However, the contents of both kits are different in terms of game materials provided. Only the number rounding technique is retained. Figure 1 shows a number rounding technique designed for mainstream students. This technique can be used to round numbers with a value of 2 digits to 7 digits, to the nearest tens to million. Figure 2 shows the authentic technique of rounding numbers that are broken down into small units to meet the needs and inclusive characteristics of students with special education needs. It makes it easier for students to master the skill of rounding numbers sequentially and effectively. Animated videos introduce the concept of rounding numbers in a real-world context. The RONET application makes assessment activities more interesting and has the potential to reduce the cognitive load of students with special educational needs in learning mathematics. This board game gives students the opportunity to apply authentic number rounding skills in addition to encouraging communication, cooperation, and healthy competition.
Assessment of face and content validity of the PAu MBK kit was done by 9 experts. Findings show a high face validity value for the components of the PAu MBK kit. In addition, the findings show a high content validity value for the components of the PAu MBK kit. A usability study of the PAu MBK kit was conducted in 2 schools in the state of Perak involving 2 teachers and 12 students from the Special Integration Education Program class.
Assalamualaikum Laila. Okey, jadi Laila dah main tadi kan? Ada berapa permainan tadi? 2. Okey, 2 permainan untuk membunda nombor, betul tak? Okey, apa Laila rasa bila bermain dua-dua permainan tadi?
Happy.
Okey, banyak tak Laila betul? Okey, senang tak jawab soalan kalau main macam ni?
Senang.
Okey. Laila memang sukalah kalau belajar matematik dengan permainan macam ni. Okey, terima kasih Laila. Laila boleh bagi thumbs up? Okey, terima kasih Laila. Okey, Rizwan. Assalamualaikum Rizwan.
Salam.
Okey, jadi Rizwan buat apa tadi?
Main permainan.
Permainan untuk belajar?
4.
Belajar matematik? Okey, senang tak belajar matematik dengan bermain ni?
Seronok.
Okey, mudah tak nak jawab soalan?
Mudah.
Tadi Rizwan ada menang tak?
Ada?
Dapat markah banyak ke sikit?
Banyak.
Okey. Jadi gembiralah dapat markah.
Gembira.
Okey. Okey, terima kasih Rizwan. Bagi thumbs up sikit boleh? Okey, terima kasih Rizwan.
An article has been written based on this innovation development study and has been sent to an index journal to be evaluated for publication. Situation animation videos and Ronit applications have been copyrighted under the Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia.